check 1 2. Sound check 1 2. Sound check 1 2. Okay, good afternoon everyone. It's been a while to see you guys. Recently has been busy. Can't do any live stream on trading, but I believe last week has been a very big one, and a lot of our members has able to catch the downtrend very beautifully. Okay, without further ado, let's start from the economic calendar. So this week onward, the daylight saving itself has had the daylight saving time shift. So for Monday and Tuesday, going to be a very quiet day, consolidation day for us. And the Wednesday onwards, we will be the New Zealand dollar and the yen red folder news. And Thursday, we have our CPI. Okay, the midnight, the Thursday, early 2 a.m. going to be having a FOMC meeting minutes. This one can't be bothered because we are sleeping, but minutes, the impact of it is not that much. So the main thing is the 8:30 CPI and which overlapping with the unemployment claim. It will be released at the same time. So on a Friday we have the PPI. So CPI, PPI to be these 2 days. Pre-CPI day need to be cautious. So I believe there's only opportunity after CPI day, after CPI night. So could be chill for these 3 days. So okay, let's start from the technical analysis part. So let's start from monthly since it's a new month again. Okay, we have this discounted zone from here, potentially a discounted zone, but we are hovering around here, expecting at least this low to be taken because the BPR has been confirmed. And we have this weekly bearish confirmed. Okay, there is a daily also confirmed, so potentially could do something like this, or it could be another way around, stick into a discounted zone and then expand higher. So this is going to be a neutral side for us. Let's mark out these two range first. It's going to be a rangy day from... Oh, I need to share this thing first. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so this is going to be the chart for dollar index. So in summary, for the dollar index, right, I forgot to mention about one thing, because since the US tariffs has been increased in the taxes for the imported tax, it should be good for the US dollar. So I will leave these two scenario to see how it play out, and we will just react accordingly. Okay, so this is the first thing. So on the technical analysis wise, definitely is bearish, no doubt. But because the tariff wise is quite concerning, that potentially, since here is also a discounted zone, if you guys can't see it, you can measure the low towards the high. It's also at the optimal trade entry area, OTE levels. So potentially price could just broke this high and just create another expansion off towards this high. So yeah, this is my take. So I will just leave. If the price respect this premium zone to continue lower, I wouldn't be surprised as well. So moving on next on gold. So from gold, we have this weekly drawn liquidity at this low, and we have the weekly fair value gap at this line and the zone below, and also overlapping with a weekly fair value area. So I did analyze before it. So give me a second, let me share this chart first. Okay, so as you can see from this point, the price took out the Tuesday high and then dumped lower, eventually closed below here and tapped back into the premium zone, because from this high to this low, the price is actually exactly in the OTE levels. Okay, from this high is Thursday, but Friday high taken out and then continue down lower. This is mad, because on the day basically is at least every single candle is going to be 100 pip plus on Friday itself. So I would, this manipulation high, I would take it as invalid. So I will take the high that broke the low and then the nearest low from our current pricing. So from here you can see, give me a second, I think I just shared the wrong one. Okay, so basically the price took out the Tuesday high, broke off this low, come back to the OTE level, and then decide to break the low. So from here we have the new OTE level that required price to come back into a premium zone. Somebody will ask, why is the 4-hour fair value area is not valid? It is a valid 4-hour fair value area. It could just sting in and continue reject lower. But the thing is, if you want to trade in a premium price at a better price range, I would say the OTE level is so much better, because this such dump potentially could require price to have some recovery to get the equal buyers into the premium zone to sell it. So there is going to be the market maker buy model from here. The buy model, low high, low higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, all the way up here, potentially within this range. Okay, a sting, a rejection, broke off this low, coming back into here, the zone, and created the new sell model all the way up to our new draw on liquidity. I'll just leave it at here. Maybe I'll just share this as well. It could be better. Okay, so this is my take on Go. So the price will do the buy side, the buy model, then the sell model, because at a lower time frame, definitely the buy model is forming already, because there is a 1-hour fair value gap right here. So potentially price could just sting in here and just continue higher. Okay, so on the euro, okay, this is my summary. On the euro and the pound, there is slightly different. Okay, they are slightly different. But if you are asking me, both you can see are bearish. But if you ask me that which is the one that I would take to trade off, I will take the GU instead. Let me share both of a picture, then you can see. So what are the difference? Okay, so this is a euro. Okay, I'm going to favorite this. Okay, so what are the difference, right? Okay, let's start from a euro first. So the euro, right, there is a weekly fair value gap being respected from this side, this area. Let me bring you to the weekly time frame. Right here until this low, this is the premium price. Even though the price has like spiked up and like go all the way up, it looks like going to hit this strong liquidity, and in the end price rejected, close almost below the weekly fair value gap. So that means the price is respecting the weekly fair value gap, and then this happened. The 4-hour time frame, right, has an early sign, which is this low that created this high has failed to break above this high. So there is a breaker block right here. So the price came back into a breaker block, respect into the OTE level right here. Give me a second. This low came back into an OTE level and just dump all the way down. So potentially this low to this high could be another fair value area, the OTE level to continue sell off all the way towards the weekly drawn liquidity right here. So this is for the euro. And the pound, whereby the pound is so much cleaner, which the pound has swept the monthly high as drawn liquidity, break above and sweep the monthly high, and then the equal high has been swept as well, which is at this drawn liquidity. After that, the price show us a very clean 4-hour fair value gap right here, and then respected very nicely, sting in, rejected all the way down here. That is mad. This is almost 138 pips. So for the pound, definitely is going to bearish because it has already closed this low as break. So now what we are looking at is this area of POI that to be continue bearish because the main drawn liquidity has been taken out as well. So yeah, that is going to be my take on the euro and pounds. I would look for pounds if I am shorting it. So the next thing is the Australian dollar. Major drawn liquidity has been taken out. Okay, we have this left, this much left. Monthly drawn liquidity. Potentially at this range. It's going to be a monthly drawn liquidity right here. Also the same thing as gold. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It will be like this. So this is for the Australian dollar. The same thing, both are bearish. Okay, let me remove this first. Let me take a look on the monthly. Oh shoot, this is bad. So previous monthly high. So So this will be the monthly target next. At least okay. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Stick into it. Higher high, higher low. Break the low. A continuation lower. Just leave it here. Okay, as usual, price has broke the previous low. I think that would be probably going to be all. The dollar against the others has a early sign. Oh, okay. UJ has something interests me. This look bearish, but at the same time it looks bullish as well. Monthly family gap, daily time frame. Okay, so either a price could do two things. Is think that would be most likely could be all. I think one more is New Zealand dollar. Yeah, New Zealand dollar could be the one. Let me see which is weaker. I think the Australian dollar is weaker, but New Zealand dollar has the sweep. So potentially, this is nice. Monthly probability could be reaching next. Okay, basically, okay, so basically, for yen pair, that's all for the yen and the US dollar major pairs, and the minors, the crosses. I will be seeing Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar at this point. Then I will see. Yeah, I think there is nothing much to be focused right now. So this is my focus list: the gold, pound, Australian dollar, or New Zealand dollar. For the crosses, I will be focusing on Australian dollar against the yen and New Zealand dollar against the yen. So most likely that will be all for my forecast. I hope everyone trades safe. Don't forget, Monday and Tuesday, either even though there is no bank holiday, but since there is no red folder news, there will be a lack of volatility in the market. Potentially could be ranging, so don't get caught in a bad positions. So this is just a reminder, not a financial advice as well. So I hope you guys can trade safe, and I'll see you guys when I see you. Have a good Sunday. Bye bye.